Hi, John Mortensen for PetDoorStore.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about the FireSafe pet door for garage doors and walls. Now, why is there a different pet door for garages than you would have for other areas in your house? Well, the reason is garage walls are made with thicker drywall, and the door from the house to the garage is a solid core, heavy door. You might notice it feels like your front door. The reason for that is they are fire barriers. And this has a UL certified 20-minute fire barrier rating. So it's the only pet door on the market that's fire rated. And that's important because in the unlikely event that you have a house fire that starts in the garage and it comes through your non-rated pet door and burns down the rest of your house, there is a chance that the insurance company could say, well, the reason that your house burned down is you broke the fire barrier and we're not going to cover the damage. So that would be kind of a worst case scenario, but it's something that I'm sure we would all like to avoid, hence this product. So how does it work? So here's what we got. We have, this is the garage side of the thing, and it has this galvanized steel plate. The plate has this red tape on the sides and the top. There's another red piece down on the bottom there. And basically this plate lives in this little track here 24/7, 365, just waiting for the unlikely house fire to start. When the fire starts, it needs to get right up next to the frame here, and it needs to get enough heat through this grate to melt the fusible link that's in there. Fusible link is a piece of metal that basically, like I said, melts. When it breaks, then that drops the cover down. The red tape melts, creates a smoke barrier, and that is how you get your fire rating. Again, 20-minute fire rating is what this is rated for. So let's talk about installation. So I got two wall units here, but the door unit is similar. I'll explain here in a second. So basically you have the garage side of the thing, and it's got a tunnel that's built into it. There's another tunnel sleeve for the inside, and essentially they slide over each other and telescope down until you hit the depth of the wall. And then you take the inside frame with the dog door flap and plug on. Now, most houses are built with 2x4s and 2x6s. The interior walls are usually 4 5/8 or 6 5/8. This will accommodate both of those out of the box. You don't need anything extra. There is an extra little extender if you have deeper walls, but most people won't. As far as the pet door itself goes, you've got a cover for it. So if you don't want your pets going out to the garage, you can put that in. And then the flap itself is clear. I'm sure you can see my hand through there. So occasionally we'll get people who want to make sure that a pet door has a clear flap. Usually they've got more than one pet, and what they're looking for is the pet's not coming through and having a head-on collision through the flap. So this flap is clear enough. I mean, it's not clear enough that you're going to want to take pictures through it, but it's clear enough that they can see something coming the other direction and avoid a head-on collision. So let's talk about sizes. This is the small size. The actual flap that the probably cat would go through would be 5.5 inches wide, 6 3/4 inches tall. This is the large. The large is 10.5 by 15.5. These are the only two sizes available. Apparently, they have to recertify for every new size, and it's very expensive to do. So this is it for the moment. The large size will fit your labs and shepherds and dogs of that sort up to about 90 pounds. The small one will do just about any cat. I mean, you can fit a large cat through that size flap. If you have a great big basketball on legs that's 25-pound Maine Coon or something, get a large. There is no medium, just get a large. One more thing on the installation. If you have a door installation, this product is rated and certified for wood or composite doors. It is not certified for steel. So if you have a steel door, you can cut it out. That's what they do now. They cut the jamb out and they replace the whole door with the jamb and all that. Or go to the wall unit and then, do the wall installation instead. But that is essentially it. It's a good product, and the flaps should be long lasting because they're not going to be exposed to the sun and the wind and the rain like every other pet door on the market. So yeah, if you have questions, you can give me a call at 866-377-3667. The website again is petdoorstore.com. There'll be a link to this item in the description below. And thank you for watching.